These are the nights that never die. My father told me.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be a very special one for me personally. Having a walk-in wardrobe has been a dream of mine. If I have to put a finger on it, it probably began when I started watching the show Hannah Montana, and just looking at her walking into a room full of clothes, shoes and bags made me also want to have that at some point in life. Now I did have a walk-in wardrobe in the past in my previous studio, but it was a very makeshift walk-in wardrobe. Very grateful for that one as well, but this one is my dream and I did not hold back. Like everything that I wanted, I have added to this walk-in wardrobe, and this time around the room, the space that I've also gotten is much bigger. For context, the room that I've converted into my walk-in wardrobe is the master bedroom of the studio. So it's the biggest room in the house. You see how important this was to me. I've always had like a list of things that I wanted in my walk-in wardrobe. Like I've always wanted a pretty chandelier, so I got that. I wanted a space to like really nicely organize my jewelry. So I've really put so much love into this walk-in wardrobe, and ever since I've had it, since the last 15-20 days I believe, I have gone to that room and just sat there for like half an hour just staring at it every single day. I'm not even exaggerating. I know it can sound kind of superficial, but it's been a dream of mine and it almost healed the younger me in a lot of ways. Of course, I'm going to be taking you guys through the walk-in wardrobe, give you guys a tour, but I wanted to kind of break it down for you guys, how I designed it and how much it cost me to make this room. Probably guessed it, my entire walk-in wardrobe is from IKEA. They do such a good job at making walk-in wardrobe, and there's so much customization that you can do according to your room, according to your needs and wants. So the type of walk-in wardrobe I went for is called PAX, and I opted for the variant where it wouldn't have doors, like it would be open on display. ये मुझे हर बार comments आते हैं कि how do you display your clothes open in Mumbai? Doesn't it get dusty? Doesn't it get dirty? And to be honest, it doesn't. It never really has, because I feel like I never really open the windows. Not because I use the AC or anything. I am kind of like the person who doesn't switch on the fan, doesn't open the windows. I like to sit in that stuffy environment, so that almost helps with the dust not coming in, and also there's dusting that happens every single day, like wiping, cleaning almost every day or every other day. So in that sense, I've never really had an issue. Now there are two ways to go about this if you're going to design it on IKEA. So either you can go onto their website and design the whole thing, or go into the store with measurements and they'll basically design the whole thing for you. But I wanted to do it myself. I logged on to the IKEA app and I got on with it. There's a section on IKEA which is called the Design from Scratch section. Once you get on there, you can find different things like the color that you need, the depth, the height, everything can be customized, and then they have a bunch of different options for you to choose from in terms of the frames. And I, by the way, will leave a code also in the description box below so that you can use that code and get the exact frame that I've made in case that is something that interests you. I have a lot of tops. I wanted one rack just for tops. I have a lot of cord sets, so I really wanted one section for cord sets. Then I have long dresses. So उसके लिए अलग एक measurement चाहिए रहेगा. So one section for long dresses. Something that I would recommend for you to do is to, number one, declutter your wardrobe so that you're not going into a new space with things that you don't really wear or use. And number two, make a list of things that you want to display or organize. Similarly, you can do the same for shoes, bags, and jewelry as well. So I did that entire process and I placed an order for it. Now, how much did I land up spending in making this entire set? I paid about 75,000 rupees. Now, this I'm talking about the PAX unit. I did have already a little bit of IKEA furniture from my previous studio, so I used that as well in this walk-in wardrobe. Now, IKEA delivery in Mumbai is pretty fast. I got my delivery in like 3-4 days max, and the same day I decided to book this guy from Urban Clap. Now, Urban Clap is associated with IKEA and they have different items listed on it. So you can just book someone to come in and build it for you. So in the past, we have built most of our IKEA furniture ourselves, but this one I knew would be a mammoth of a task, to say the least, because they're really big units and it requires skill. So I didn't want to screw it up. So I decided to call a professional in. For assembling, I spent about 5,000 rupees. Now, as for my vanity, so I wanted this room to be a room where I get ready, right? So I wanted to be able to not only dress up, but also do my makeup. So as for my vanity, I just decided to use what I already have. So in my parents' house, I had a vanity with like bulbs and all of that. So I just decided to move that to my walk-in wardrobe so I didn't have to spend more money, and it didn't make sense to have two vanities any which way. So I just repurposed that. But another expense was the chandelier. So the chandelier costed me about 6,000 rupees, including the installation. I will link down below the store that I visited because they had some great stuff and at a pretty reasonable price, because chandeliers can be expensive. So the amount that I've paid is honestly quite a steal. Oh, and then the rug. Rugs are also quite expensive. I ended up paying around, I think, 11,000 rupees for my rug. Again, all the details for the rug also, I will leave them down below. Everything else that you see in the room is repurposed. Like I already had it, I used it, like my full length mirror, a few chest of drawers from IKEA. Again, I just used them in this walk-in wardrobe. So in total, this is the amount I ended up spending in making this walk-in wardrobe. And this was actually the budget that I had set out for myself, because I knew it would be an expensive affair to create this entire room. So I had been saving up for it, and honestly, worth every penny. Best money that I've spent. I think that was all the information that I needed to give you guys. It's time for the tour. I am so excited. I hope you guys like this room as much as I do. And let's get started. So welcome to my dream walk-in wardrobe. This is kind of like the first thing that you see as soon as you enter. Right behind me is a huge window that gives such beautiful lighting throughout the day. Let's begin with this section right here, which is my most favorite section because it has all of my shoes, my bags, my jewelry, my perfumes displayed. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with this thing right here. So this is our brand new steamer. Before this, we had like a regular steamer, but this one can be converted into two different forms, and this is so handy. We usually put it right behind here so that it's tucked away, but I brought it out so that you guys can see it, and it looks actually quite cute and aesthetic as well. Now coming on to this little structure right here that we built on IKEA, as I showed you earlier already. This is my most favorite section, as I already told you guys. So on my left, I have all of my shoes right here. I have decluttered. A lot of my heels are gone. I have like barely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like pairs of heels that are left, and a lot of these sneakers are Aditya's. Till his room's getting built, we've displayed it here. So I've basically really decluttered my shoes, and I only have pieces that I love right here. Now we do have sections above that hold these baskets. We'll talk about those baskets in the end. Coming to this center section, so of course I love perfumes, as you guys know, so I wanted like one space to like keep all of my perfumes. So here we've displayed all the perfumes, and I got these acrylic trays, shelves actually, so that I can see all of my perfumes, reach my perfumes. And I also got this really pretty artwork made. It says, "Where focus goes, energy flows," and it's in like this beautiful aura situation that's very trending these days. So yeah, that's my little section. I can totally add shelves here and utilize this space later if I have other things to display, but for now I like this little area. Moving on to these drawers right here, I was very specific about the fact that I wanted jewelry to be organized super well, because jewelry tends to kind of go missing and you don't know what you have. So I really wanted to be able to display all of it. Okay, so the first drawer has all all of my earrings. Earrings is something that I switch out every single day, and gold is what I usually wear. So I have all of my gold earrings right here, again in acrylic trays, organizers that I got from Amazon. Everything that I'm mentioning, I will link it down below for you guys. Then this is a drawer that I'm so proud of. Huge shout out to Madhura because she's the one who's organized this drawer. So this has all of my dainty necklaces. Everything's laid out so I can see what I have, and I have been making it a point to every time I'm done, I like neatly put it back so that I can find it for the next time. Then we have more chunky jewelry, bracelets hai, earrings hai. It's like a mix of everything. These are all statement pieces right here. Then the last two drawers are my sunglasses. Again, I've gone through a huge declutter, gotten rid of most of my sunglasses. I just have neutral ones that I tend to wear these days. Most of my sunglasses, by the way, are either from Amazon or from Hill Road, Bandra. Super cheap but very cute sunglasses. So the last three drawers also have more jewelry. Now this one has jewelry that I don't really wear every single day. So like silver jewelry, a lot of bracelets, rings, stuff that I don't wear usually. And then this is my favorite drawer. This has all of my Indian jewelry. So oxidized jewelry, gold pieces, jhumkas, all of that. And then last wala bhi thoda sa aisa miscellaneous drawer hi hai, but everything is organized into these organizers. Most of my organizers are either from IKEA or Amazon. Of course, they'll be linked down below. Coming to the bags. So my tote bags would usually be on the floor and they would be like all floppy. So I wanted a specific space for me to store my tote bags, enough space. The great thing about IKEA is that you can really customize everything. Everything looks like it's meant for these bags, right? So you can really customize the height and stuff like that. By the way, this is a bag that I've made myself. Let me know in the comments down below where I've made it. In case you've seen my vlog, you know exactly कहाँ पर ये बना है. Next, यहाँ पे मेरी दूसरी सारी bags है. Most of these bags are from Coach. तो मैंने ऐसे एक section बना के रखा है for all of my Coach bags. And then here I have all of my colorful, beautiful bags, kind of arranged in like a rainbow to like neutral situation. Then in this shelf, I could in the future add more bags, but for now I've added these baskets. So these baskets are from IKEA, very good quality baskets, and I think they're great for storage. They look very nice as well. The first basket right here holds all of my body mists. I did not want to display my body mist because already perfumes are on display. बहुत ही cluttered हो जाता, so I put all of my body mists in here, my favorite ones. And then this one has all of my hair tools, my hair brushes, heat protectant, because this is something that I usually use regularly, so I can just like pull this out, take it on my vanity and do my hair. So the first drawer right here has all of my beach bags. I love beach bags, so I've basically dumped all of them in here. And then this is my hair section. So यहाँ पे सारी अलग-अलग चीजें. यहाँ पे I have all of my accessories, my products, my rollers, my pins, rubber bands, a lot of like miscellaneous hair related things. And then last drawer is kind of like my travel drawer because this has all of my packing cubes. It has my pre-packed toiletries kit. So every time I go on a trip, I just need to take this toiletries kit. I don't need to like repack anything. Basically a lot of like organizational things that I need while traveling. Lastly, talking about all of these baskets up there, I had a lot of like random stuff. So I thought let's put it in baskets. It's gonna look nice also. So सबसे पहले वहाँ पे ऊपर basket में है all of my socks. I have a little bit of a collection of socks, but it's just great when you're traveling to cold places. You need socks, and I've been meaning to style these socks also for a while. So they're sitting up there. Then we have another basket that has a lot of random like gloves and belts, styling items basically. यहाँ पर ऊपर वाले basket में है all of my nail stuff. So a lot of press-on nails, filers, nail polishes, stuff like that. Then यहाँ पर ऊपर है मेरा period basket. So that is something that I use only once a month. So it's tucked away up there, has my pads, a heating pad, medicine. And then the last basket up there is khali in case कुछ रखना पड़े. So I can use that up there. Welcome to the vanity area. Now this vanity might be familiar to you guys because this vanity was in my parents' house and I just brought it here because it just made sense कि walk-in wardrobe में मेरी vanity हो. We got this custom made, this mirror with bulbs. It changes colors. So there's a white, there's a yellow, and then there's a mix right here. And then this vanity was attached to the wall. We had to like remove it physically and then get it here. So basically the organization in my vanity remains the same for the most part, but I'll just quickly go through it. First drawer has all of my skincare because that's the first thing that I apply on my face even before I apply my makeup. Then here we have a lot of random things. I have safety pins because in case I need it, hair pins, lenses, a lot of Dettol wipes. So like a lot of random things that I might need. Then yahan pe I have my beauty sponges, my Q-tips, razors. Ek section bhi maine banaya hai wherein I keep all of my dirty brushes and sponges so that once it fills up, I can take it and wash it all together. Then this is full on all of my tools. Of course, 90% of the brushes here are Simba Lifestyle brushes. If you're looking for a great, affordable, good quality set of brushes, definitely check them out. So the last 4 drawers have makeup. This one has all of my face stuff. So foundations, primers, concealers, even blushes go here. Then we have more face stuff and eye stuff. So highlighters, powders, mascara, contour, all of that goes here. This drawer is dedicated to lipsticks and I've organized it by shade. So we have nudes, pinks, browns, all really organized here. And then the last drawer is just eye stuff. So all of my eyelashes, my eyeshadow palettes, some glitter, all of that goes here. So this chair that you see right here is custom made. It's not the most comfortable chair, but it looks very, very cute. I do sit on this and do my makeup, but after a while my back starts to hurt because there's no back support. But it is a very cute chair and it's a very sturdy, good quality chair. I do have a contact who makes all of the pieces for me. So I'll leave his contact down below. Then we have this very pretty Nimbu ka jhaad in the background. This I got from Mason Homes. They make some amazing fake plants. Now I have tried to have real plants in my house, but they always end up dying and I'm always traveling, so it doesn't really make sense. And also in terms of pricing, I believe this was for 9,000 rupees, wherein I were to buy a real plant, like a 6 feet plant, that would cost me around 6,000 rupees. And if it keeps dying on me, I'm usually spending more money buying a real plant. So this will basically stay with me forever because ये plastic है, इसको कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. Here I have a few pictures from actually our wedding. We had a little photo booth at the wedding. So Aditya one day just came and stuck these on the mirror, pictures with our friends. So it just stayed here. It looks super cute. On the table, I wanted to keep it very simple. कुछ भी नहीं रखना था. I have one candle. This is a aromatherapy candle. This room feels very, very calming to me. So it just made sense to put this candle here. And then this is again a candle. इसके अंदर candle हुआ करता था, but I cleaned the container. I think it was such a cute container. So I've kept all of my hair gummies in here because it's kind of like a thing that I come in here every day, eat a gummy and then start getting ready. So I just put them here. Then we have another chest of drawers. Now I've had this chest of drawers for years, which is why it does look a little beaten up, but it does the job. It's a great chest of drawers. यहाँ पे ऊपर I have some artwork, which is again made by our graphic designer. So there were specific things that I really wanted. So I really wanted 444. Somewhere I do have a tattoo of 444 on my body. Then I have a Virgo artwork because I am a Virgo. And then this is just a tissue box that I got from Amazon. And then this is a skincare fridge. So basically a skincare fridge mein I've kept all of my face masks, sheet masks. This is obviously not something that I use every single day, but it's nice to have and use it like cold on your face. Now this is where the clothes begin. These first 2 drawers, I have all of my basics. So all the black and white basics and then all the colorful basics. मूछ के मैंने इनको fold नहीं किया है because this is something that I use almost every single day and there's just no way that I can like fold everyone individually. So we've just dumped them in here. Then here again, this is a messy drawer again. This is all of my beach stuff. So this has all of my cover-ups, all of my bikinis, all of my one-piece monokinis, all of that beach stuff goes right here. ये drawer से थोड़ा सा organization आपको दिखेगा. So यहाँ पे I have all of my skirts. This drawer honestly stays like this. Like I'm very good at maintaining this drawer. I'll fold everything up and put it here because I don't have a lot of those. We have all of my pants and shorts. Again, very nicely, neatly folded. And then in the last drawer, I have all of my denims. So denim skirts, denim shorts, jeans, overalls, all of that goes there. Okay, moving on. Here we have the washroom. This door too was black in color. I got a wallpaper on it. Looks so nice and like blended with the entire room. Now moving on, right here, this has all of my clothes. Majority of my clothes are right here, and I feel like we've done such a good job at organizing everything. So let's start with this section right here. So this has all of my tops, and here we have all of the cord sets. Then ऊपर baskets है जिसके बारे में बाद में बताऊंगी. Then here I have all of my sweaters and my jackets and my blazers, and then those kind of blend here as well. And then here we have some of my short dresses, and then here I have all of my longer dresses. Before when I used to hang the clothes, नीचे पूरा मेरा जो ड्रेस था used to be like a झाड़ू, so I made sure to have like a nice big section where my dresses could like hang properly. Now moving on to the baskets up there. All of these baskets are from Amazon. I've had them for years and years. They're such good quality. So basically this unit right here is super deep. So पीछे भी I have storage of all of my woolen jackets which I have vacuumed and they're stuffed behind. Here I have all of my gloves, my caps, my mufflers, all of that. Basically winter wear is in here. Then this entire section, you can see 3 baskets. There are actually 6 baskets. All of these have my Indian clothes. So my kurtis, my cord sets, my Indian bags, everything is stored here. Lastly, ये जो ऊपर वाले baskets है, इसमें है all of my random organizers that didn't really have a place. And then this one's empty, so I could fill it up with something potentially. ऊपर, as you can see, I have my chandelier. I really wanted a pretty chandelier and I found the perfect one. It's white, it's golden, it looks so pretty. And then lastly we have another one of these chest of drawers, again from IKEA. Uske upar, by the way, we have some more artwork, just some cute quotes that I really wanted to display. So yahan pe there's a lot of random stuff. So this has all of my inner wear, my lingerie, so I'm not going to show you guys. Basically a drawer mein aisi cheez hai that I don't really want to show you. This has all of my robes, this has all of my PJs, lounge wear, my towels, bed sheets, कंफर्टर, वो सब कुछ यहाँ पर स्टोर किया गया है. Okay, so this is what the entryway looks like. Now this door used to be black. I got a wallpaper on top of it because I wanted everything to be very light and white. Now the entrance is very, very simple. We just have a few of my hats that I do end up using displayed here, and then I have a full length mirror. Now it was so difficult for us to figure out where to put a full length mirror because all the walls in the walk-in wardrobe are fully decorated, but we did find a spot and it works out quite well. And with that, we have come towards the end of today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I have put a lot of love into making this studio. We've gone all out. Literally kuch bhi nahi choda hai maine. Usually in the past, there would always be this one spot, one corner, one door that I didn't like, but I couldn't really do anything about it because the space is rented. But this time I decided to go all out. I've wallpapered everything. I've painted everything however I've wanted. So I hope you can see that, and this is truly my most favorite room. No matter how well I decorate other rooms, this will always be my favorite room no matter what, because I'm just obsessed. Every single day I come in this room at night, in the morning also, and I'll just sit here and do nothing because it just feels so nice. And at night Aditya and I just sit here and talk for like 15 minutes and it feels like the best thing ever. The vibes in this room are vibing. I love this room and I hope you guys liked this room as well. That's basically it. I will see you guys in my next video. Before I end the video, cue today's giveaway. Okay, that's it. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!